Hello everybody, back here in the automotive. I've got a Cayman GTS. I've got a Cayman GTS 2015. It came in with the engine light was on. The engine light was on, so I had to actually do some diagnostic work. Here's my scan tool. I've got the scan tool. I can pretty much do Cayenne 2010, 2011 onwards, 987, 986, 981, 98, pretty much 991, 996, 997, Panamera, Carrera GT, but we don't get it here, GT3 996, Macan, and GT2 996. Yeah, this car came in for a the engine light was on. As you can see, this is the new model. The engine light was on, and carried out some diagnostic tests on the wiring and a few earth and power wire and signal wire, and I found the signal wire was all good. So before, the customer complained that the PDK launch control wasn't working. So now I'm going to go test it out to make sure it revs out and hold it before you let go. I don't really have to let go, I just want to see it holding to rev at about 3.5, 4. So yeah, just want to show you this car. This car is really nice. Yeah, just reversing out. Handbrakes down here. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.